Get it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
Let's get in there, Matt. Yes, sir. Hey, Dude and Dude, say what up? It is your boy, Dude Mungus. Oh, it feels so daggone good. It is a beautiful Sunday morning. So, of course, we're headed out to church. And then afterwards, there is this bike event that's going on. And it's not really even about this bike event. It's just, I'm going to hang out with my peoples. I have not hung out with my peoples in a minute. So I'm going to link up with my buddy Dale. And going to link up with my buddy Paul. And we just going to ride out, man. We'll go to this event. And then we're talking about going to hit some corners, bro, because corners is so fun, bro. Like I said, straight line stuff gets all of the attention, literally all of it. But we like back rolls, we like hitting country rolls, and all of us have signed up to do the track day with Precision Track Day at Road Atlanta, July 1st and July 2nd. So we all ride together anyway, but it's just gonna be good to just cement that in, because we're probably about we're less than a month away from that track day. So we just getting familiar with each other, just making it do what it do. We just gonna have a good time, man. I'm actually playing drums at a new church today, and I can't lie, Dude and Dudettes, I am nervous as heck. I never take playing drums or ministry for God's people. I never take that lightly, man. That's why you never really see me like I'm not the guy to mistreat somebody, because, man, you never know what that person is going through, what they done, you know. You just never know, bro. And I'm not about that life, bro. I am not mistreating God's people at all. Yes, sir. Feeling good. We just got out of church. I didn't give you a cold start earlier. Let me give you this cold start. Yes, sir, the bat, my 2022 Suzuki GSX-R1000R, baby. We got to make an episode on why I chose the Gixxer anyway. That chop, baby. All right. Once that chop stops, normally it means the bike is warmed up. Let's go, bat. I love how aggressive this bat is. And shout out to Kayla May for the tune that is on this daggone bike. Shee! Listen to that rumble, baby. Not my bike, just all these R1s. goodness, that R1M sounds good. Got my man. This is what I love. Like, he's a racetrack guy. He don't hate on us for riding on the street and doing road racing. He's just like, yo, my guys, let's do it. But he's coming out today with us. This is probably gonna seem like light work to him, and we all huffing and puffing and sweating because this man is an official racer. Like, this man is in the rivers. Don't judge me. He's in this series. I put the picture up. And baby, he done been in first a couple times. He came in third. He jumped on a new bike that he had just bought and has not been on the bike until he got on track and still placed third. That dude's freaking amazing. We got Dale right here. We got Wifey. You got Trill. You got his wife. Then we got the people in the background. You got Apollo back there. You got my man on the new ZX10. Got the new setup. The Scrum Diddly. Man, this is about to be fun, bro. This is about to be dope. I cannot get enough of that bike, bro. That is chef's kiss, bro. Love that R1, bro. God, that thing is nice, bro. I guess we doing this. I didn't know we was doing this right by the copper station. It wasn't me. It was him. It wasn't on me, man. Hey, all right. Everybody got the gurble reverberable. What they rev the exhaust? My bike don't do that. My bike is kind of calm when you rev it, but on decel it does something. Let's get to it, my lady. A motorcycle hat. Yeah. Got the carbon fiber on the ZX10. Wifey say we talk about carbon fiber like it's vibranium from Black Panther. But I mean, it is. Carbon fiber is titanium, bro. That's it. Look at Wifey got on the new shoe. Look at the new shoe. Look at the new shoe. Hit it! Look at the white shoe. Look at the white shoe. Shout out to TK Moto Style. If you're looking for some gear and you're local to Atlanta, even if you're not local, look up Moto Style TK. Tell them Mungus sent you. You don't have to necessarily be sponsored by everybody to show somebody some love. And I know it's not part of the game as far as getting paid from sponsorships and stuff, but sometimes, man, you just support local, bro, because they're just good people, bro. TK's good people. Motorcycle hats. Yeah. Hey, man. Much respect to our fallen brothers and sisters. I pray for your families. Hope everybody's getting through okay, man. Popping off on them. Yeah, bro. Is that how we do it? And do this. For those who's wondering, let this go to show that your lower bike, you can ride it and have fun. It's not ruined. And you can hang out with guys that are at stock height and have just as much fun as they do. Now, on the racetrack, it's different. On the street, nothing changes, bro. You will have a good time on your lower bike with your stock height guys. I am the only lower bike here. Only one. Everyone else, stock height. Let's see how we do. I'll see you, Lando. Holding it down for the heavyweights, my boy. That bike is strong, bro. Now, that wasn't a full yeet tilt, you know, all out, but still, that was pretty good. The bell is about to start eating. That is good, bro. That's a strong pull. Man, let me explain this real quick, man. So y'all see, we just vibing out, having a daggum good time. End up doing a pull right past GSP on the other side of the road. We had no idea. Buddy whipped around so fast, almost hit some of the people riding with us so he could turn around and get to us. So we get to the next light. Buddy pulls up behind us. Me and my man look at each other. We was like, yo, holy crap. GSP pulls up behind us. He lights us up. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And I was like, dang, when they give you that whoop, I was like, oh, yeah, you getting tickets. So I was like, all right, whatever. So I go to pull over, and I'm looking back. And the cop
he didn't look my way, and I said, bro, you got like 5 more seconds. If you don't come towards me, bro, I'm Audi 3000. And he didn't flinch. So I said, hey, yo, deuces. So as I busted out the okie doke with the zoop zoop hoobie hoo-la loobie doo-da. Next thing you know, I'm in no man's land, and I'm just like, yo, I'm cool with that because, bro, you had your opportunity, and
man, I just saw the deal, and so one of the guys we were with got a ticket, and bro, I already know how it is after you get a ticket, bro. Like, I be wanting to go home. I'm slick. Thank God I didn't get a ticket. I'm sorry my boy got a ticket, but if I would have got a ticket, I would have went home. And he was like, yep, I don't even feel like riding no more. I'm going home. I was like, dude, that's exactly what I would do. But I totally get it if everyone goes home, because that's what I would do. Because I'm only going to do a couple laps at Brushy, and I'm going either way, bro. That's anyway, dude, do this. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. You know who it is. It's your boy, Dude Mungus. I'm a little.
So don't even lie to me, bro.
Now watch. If I'm, let's say I'm giving. I want y'all to all be looking right here. All in together at one time. Boom. As you want to pick up the bike and pick up. Now, stay right there. Feel the pressure in your wrist. Yes.